QNT is one of the few coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And at the time of this recording, we continue to see higher prices. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my short-term and also my long-term price prediction analysis, basing my analysis on the Deriv structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40 mark and then started an impulse to the upside that peaked in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the $229, completing the formation of this Deriv count 1. And after we peaked in that Deriv count 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 whose minimum pullback target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And we saw a reaction of this target area after overshooting the area to the lower side in a move that gave us a low below the $48.4. Then we started an impulsive movement to the upside in what I now believe is the start of an impulse in the formation of this Deriv count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $355.8. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that Deriv count 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x for those of you that were able to accumulate QNT between the $139.2 and the $79.9, which is the area over here. So that is all I'm expecting on the long term. On the short term, we have also continued to obey the Deriv structures, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 3rd of November, we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this Deriv count 1. So a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, then another impulse in the formation of the wave 3, a pullback in a wave 4, then continued to push even higher in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that has now peaked above the $164.1. And since we have now completed a 5-wave structure to the upside, we can now name this impulse as the formation of this Deriv count 1. And in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we are going to start a bit of a short-term corrective structure in the formation of a larger Deriv count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $122.4 and the $96.4, the area that I have marked here on the charts. And this is an area that I will be expecting QNT to fully maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days, give us a low for the second wave before we can bounce once again impulsively to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, possibly hitting our minimum target areas in the formation of these larger Deriv count 3 above the $355 in the next coming weeks or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.